Hello, so today I am going to be identifying the two types of cells that basically make up the nervous system. And these two cell types are neurons and neuroglia. So first off, neurons, they are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. They collect and process information, provide unique functions. The neurons are the ones typically responsible for things like sensing, thinking, remembering, controlling like muscle activities, and they're also responsible for the transmission of nerve impulses between the central nervous system and the body. And they react to changes, and they also regulate glandular secretions. So basically, neurons are responsible for communication. And then neuroglia, they are the supporting cells. They basically just support the nerves. They're helper cells. They surround and support neurons. They're basically just there, like how I said, to support them. They nourish and protect the neurons. They're also involved in the nutrition and maintenance of the nerve cells. They also send and receive messages. And there are way more glias than neurons. So they're the majority, and then the neurons are the minority. And neuroglia cells are in the central nervous system and also in the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, you'll find the astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglial cells, and ependymal cells. And then in the PNS, you'll find the schwann cells and the satellite cells. So there are different types of neuroglia cells in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And yeah, these are the two types of cells that make up the nervous system. That's it. Thank you.